Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another Timex watch review. We're looking at a Timex Expedition Gallatin watch today. Before we actually move on to that, I'm going to briefly look at the box. So obviously the outside box here is just the outside sort of cardboard packaging with the actual Timex box inside. So let's have a little look. Appears it was slightly caught on the box. So we've got a presentation style Timex box here with a simple lift off lid, and the actual watch is secured to the back with like a cable tie. So here we go guys, this is the Timex Expedition Gallatin 44. So I'm not going to take this sort of out of the box, but I'm just going to have it here as like a presentation. So the box, the actual watch itself is 44mm with a case thickness of 11.5mm. Got like this sort of jet black style resin bezel to it. Looking at the face, we can see we've got this fully sort of blacked out back plate here to the actual main face, with white increments going around the side, blue luminous of course, and green luminous hands. So it's just a perfect amount of green and olive detailing. We've got like a non-Cyclops eye style date here, with a luminous dot second hand as well. Looking inside the face, we've got a slightly indentated inside dashes inside here, 45-degree angle by the looks of things. Looking at the bezel, we've got a non-moving, just a standard number system bezel to the actual watch. Coming out to the actual casing here, we can see that it's like resin sort of material to it, with a small little button or a small little crown in here for adjusting the time and the date. Offers a 50-meter water resistance with an indigo nightlight as well to the overall style of the watch. You might be able to see that from the information down here as well. This watch itself retails around about £60 and sits on a olive green 20.5 millimeter like a rubber silicone strap. I believe they have options for other style straps as well, but this default one comes with an olive style strap. So there we go guys, that's the Timex Expedition Gallatin 44mm.